Alright folks, this is the time of the year when we pause, breathe in and realize that we have crossed it. 2024 was epic, totally Digiware-style. Let's sit back, grab a cup of coffee or a tool box, whatever is your thing, and listen to our breakdown. What happened and how it happened. Watch out the space. This year, we did not just dream big, we turned those dreams into reality by launching two brands. They were incredible brands. First off, Bilva Home Solutions, where home improvement meets the creativity and innovation. From fixing to designing to transforming, Bilva Homes makes space better and brighter and more for you. The next brand we launched was Just Computers, your go-to hub for any technical thing. Laptop, desktop, cameras, security camera, you name it, they have got it. We designed and launched their seamless shopping experience that was as smart as products that they sell. And guess what? People can get enough of it. You can check out these two brands in our brand portfolio, which is mentioned down. Rebranding, we owned it. This is one of our favorite things because being a brand strategist or starting as a brand strategist, we understand how much rebranding is important to our customers. We have rebranded Koala Invest, Kailash Group, Create Your Life, Sydney Suburban Club. They all have got Digiware-style upgrade, and our designer have worked overtime to make this brand shine. From ranking to revenue, our SEO game was sharper than ever. We have helped clients climb the Google ladder and hit those sweet top spots. And our ads, they have got conversion faster than what you say is what the ROI. Emails, meetings, caffeine fixes, insights, numbers and tricks. This year, it wasn't only about clients, SEO, ads, social media, brand launch, rebranding. It was also a time when we grew as Digiware. As starting as a small scale in small agency, we partner up with different interns. So currently we have 3 interns. They bring fresh ideas, loads of luck, and they're changes. You know how to work with them, right? It's fun. Our India team is also scaling up. It's like they're on steroids like that. They're also scaling up. But the highlight was we joined BNI, and it was incredible for Digiware to be in a room full of passionate leaders, exchanging ideas and building connection that really matters. The power of community is real. Social buzz, amplified trends we navigate. SEO aces like Jen, no debate. You know what? I would say that this year has been branding kits to killer creatives to team improvement to pouring the heart and soul to Digiware. Every project we tackle has become a story worth telling. And just to say you, we have just got started. And now that we are so close to end of 2024 and we are gearing up to even be bigger in 2025, we are looking for more partnership, more innovation. And guess what we did is we have put back email marketing because the ROI on that is too good to ignore. If you thought 2024 was impressive, you haven't seen it yet. Watch this space. To our clients, to our partners, you are our cheerleader. Thank you for trusting us and laughing with us and growing with us. You are not just client, you are a part of Digiware's story. Today, the story that I have told, you all have contributed to that story. Here's to 2024. Here's to more win, more dreams, and more reason to celebrate. Ready to join us? Drop us a comment, DM us, and just say hello. We will come over with a cup of coffee in our hand. We would like to end this today's video as a note that we are your partner. Let's build something great in 2024 together.